Hi guys, and welcome to my Naim NAP250 Chinese clone that I got from Ali video review. As far as I know, this one is produced by Breeze. It's a clone of very famous and very well known power amplifier made by Naim. And the exact model is NAP250. In this first look video, we'll take a look at the externals of the amplifier and at the internals of the amplifier. So, in front we have power on switch. My cat is trying to steal my pointer from me. We have a power on switch, and we have a logo that has a very nice backlight, and it's lighted in green as in original. Although I'm not fine with using the logo, the original logo, the original brand name on the clone. Okay, so in the back we have power connector with fuse compartment integrated here. We have two sets of speaker tabs for left and right channel, and these look solid but cheap, and they are, I think, the same or similar as every other speaker tab that I've seen on the clone amplifiers. And we have one set of XLR inputs and one set of RCA inputs. I got specifically this NAP250 clone because it has XLR balanced inputs. And it was slightly more expensive. It was $350 for this particular version. Okay, so let's take a look inside. At this point, I'm already spoiled by the quality of chassis in all clones that I've reviewed so far. So I'm expecting it to be heavy, very solid, and made of aluminum, as it is in this case. It's, let's say, 3 or 4 millimeters thick. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Yes, it's quite beautiful. Okay, so power transformer. Unfortunately, no specification on that one. No sticker with info on the power output, but it's big and solid and nicely wrapped. So I guess it's, I don't know, it's probably like 200 VA or something like that. We have a set of capacitors, and these are produced by Hitachi, and each one of them is 22,000 microfarads rated for 63 volts. And these are maybe not exactly like my fist, but they are really big. Okay, here we have relays protecting the speaker outputs, and these are not produced by Omron, but these are produced by Songle, by some Chinese company. We'll take a look at them later. We have a set of Sanken transistors and Oni transistors. Onis are here and Sankens are here. Exact numbers are, as you can see in the video right now. Let's zoom. Yep. And the set here. Okay. The blue capacitors are Nichicon capacitors. The orange one, I have no idea what's the brand. Let's zoom in. The board looks very nice, although it looks like it had been built by hand, which is good in my book, because this basically means that somebody took care and used his time to properly mount everything. So the board looks very nice. It's in unorthodox white color. The power transistors, I don't know if you can see that, they are placed on metal heatsinks, and the heatsink are screwed to the bottom of the case. So basically the bottom of the chassis works as a large heatsink for all power transistors. Yeah. The same notices that I had on the back. Oh, sorry. Just let's pause. So the lesson here was, do not try to rotate something that's as heavy as this amp with your one hand. Okay, so let's get back to the video. So the board is marked with model number, original name brand, but it's also marked as made by Sanyuan. I think I'm pronouncing this properly. And that's basically it. One more thing that probably got your attention is the cables. Look how neatly all the looms are placed, how all the connections are properly seated and organized. I really dig the build inside. What else do we have here? I think that's it. If I forgot to mention, and I think if you've seen something interesting here, then let me know in the comments. For now, let's have a pan and zoom on the inside, because maybe somebody someday will need to have that video. Okay, so there's quite a lot of clones for NAP250 on AliExpress available. I got this particular one. Take notice on the internals, because these are slightly different. I mean, all of them look very similar or exactly the same on the outside, because they are using the same chassis, but they will be looking different and they may be using different components inside. So my full video review with sound qualities, with sound characteristic description will be for this particular model with this particular parts inside. That's important because there are different versions that look the same on the outside. And I think that's it. I hope you liked this short first look video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. And as usual, stay tuned for a full review coming soon to this channel.